Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Find and Replace with Control+H or CMD+Shift+H on Mac. Type the exact text or pattern you want to locate and toggle Match Case when capitalization matters. This avoids false positives. Next, set the search scope, current sheet, all sheets, or a selected range so you don't modify irrelevant data. Once done, glance at the Replace with field, but leave it empty if you only want to locate entries. This preserves content while showing where match is live. Now refine the search for precise results. Enable search using regular expressions when you need patterns, for example, start or \D+ for digits, and make sure to escape special characters. If you need to find text inside formulas, check Also Search within formulas so formula strings get included. Use Find or Find Next to jump from one match to the next. When you're sure, use Replace for single swaps or Replace All to update every match within the chosen scope. This step, finish by handling replacements cautiously. Preview each change with Replace instead of Replace All, because one wrong global swap can break data. If you only want to affect part of the sheet, highlight a range before opening Find and Replace. That confines edits. If something goes wrong, immediately undo with Control+Z to revert changes. One troubleshooting tip: if expected matches are missing, make sure filters aren't hiding rows and check for protected or hidden ranges. These can block finds even though data appears visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.